Good morning everyone, I Sonia Grover again here. Yesterday we had learned how to input this information stored in database. Now we will view this information from this table, from the info table. For this what will we do? I will take a on event. I am just dragging and dropping on event. And ID of this button, check the ID of this button. ID of this button is button 2 here. I am writing here ID is button 2 here. Okay, event is clicked, means when I am clicking on this button, what will happen? I want to read the records. You will go in data section and choose read records here. Read record, this one. Just drag and drop read record here. You want to read the records from info table. For this you will write here info. Just check your table name, go in data section and just check here. Table name is info here. Table name is info here. Come to this coding portion. Table name is info here. Now I want to read that information and just deleting this record I. Just remember this, when you want to read the record from a table, then you will write records, then square bracket and I. Okay, I is a variable, already told you. This is a read record function records here. It will call a record function, and up to the length of this record this will work. Means look at this. This is your table, and how many records are there? Only one record is here, and you will get a record from this. For this what you will do? You will just, you want to set the text of this screen 2, and this check here. ID of this is label 3 and ID of this label is label 4. ID is label 3 and label 4. I want to set the text. I am going in UI control section and set text. Just dragging and dropping this set text. In same way I am just checking. I want to set the text of label 3 and label 4. Label 3 and label 4. I want to set the text from records of table. From which table? Info table. You will write here, just eliminate it and write records, then square bracket I, square bracket and dot. Column name is name. This is column name and mobile number. Come here and write name here. Okay, record I, write here name. Okay, now here you will write record I dot mobile number. Record I square bracket, be careful, square bracket come, yes, square bracket, record I square bracket close dot mobile number. Okay, now run it. Mobile number, E is missing here, write E here. Run it. Now I am inputting the name here, suppose Sonia. Mobile number is this one. I am submitting it and click on this. Look at this. My name Sonia and mobile number is coming here. You can increase the size of this label. You know that how to increase the size of this label.